The idea behind Nature Knows Best is really quite simple. It's all about recognizing that the natural world is incredibly smart and balanced, and we should learn from it instead of trying to control or change it.
Look at how nature works, you'll see that plants, animals, and the environment all work together in these amazing, interconnected ways. They've been adapting and thriving for a million years without any help from humans. Compared to that, a lot of the things we do as humans try to force nature to do what we want. We have intensive farming. We build cities that destroy habitats and we make technologies that disrupt natural cycles. And that ends up causing a lot of problems that are really hard to fix.
The nature knows best idea says that we should do the opposite instead of trying to control everything. Let's watch how the nature works and then the design or our own activities to work those natural systems. Whether it's growing food, building cities, or making new products, we should be taking cues from the wisdom of the natural world.
When we do that, amazing things can happen. We can create farming methods that are more sustainable. We can build cities that fit with the environment around them. We can invent new technologies that are efficient and elegant as natural designs.
It's really about being humble and recognizing that nature has a figure out solution to all kinds of challenges over millions of years. If we can learn from that, we have a much better chance of creating a future that's in balance with the planet.